Well, once again, y'all, we back on this hill doing what we do. Always. What up, though, Cole? What up, what up? This is a 1999 Plymouth Neon. They got a sort of a rush job right quick on some brakes. It was like a 911 maybe. Maybe it was a 711 or 811, not maybe a 911. But either way it go, I'm finna straighten them out. With the wheel already off, y'all, we used a 3/4, take the lugs off. I'm old school, I use 3/4. We take the wheel off, we got him up. Then we're gonna come right back behind him with this 10mm. The caliper screws is 10mm. Okay, we bust them down. And then there's another one below it. Here. We'll bust him down. Alright. And then we'll take this Jones here. I call him again, I'm old school. I call it a multi-purpose tool because it do so many things for me. So I'm gonna insert this through the back here and I'm gonna push this caliper back as far as I can get it. So I don't have to finagle with these brakes. They look like they're pretty rusty, but it ain't gonna take but a minute. It's going back. Yes, sir. Okay, that might do it. Let me get these caliper screws all the way out. I just loosened them up. Take them all the way out. Drop down to this bottom one. You already seen where it's at. I already showed you. It's down there. You know where it's at. And we're going to take them out. Oh, 1999. It's old school. Pretty rusty, but don't run bad. It's doing its thing. You just don't know. Definition, transportation. To and from. Set them down here. Keep an eye on them. Yeah. Pretty much a 98911. Absolutely. Okay, we're going to get these Joneses out of here. Stand by. Now, again with this old multi-purpose tool, you know, that's just a file. Technically, it's a file. That's okay. But like I say, multi-purpose. We can get up in here and do different things. Get some of that rust out and loosen him on up. Get him up like that. You can work him with your hand now. Come over here and work him on up too. Alright, he out of there. That one pops out. Okay. We're gonna open up the box and get something else out the box. Almost like magic, ain't it? Voila, we got some new ones in there. Alright, we're gonna put this boy on and let that be that. there. We come on back with your screw. One in the back. You can jiggle it. I always jiggle it. Try to make sure it threads good. Couple turns. And you come down to the bottom. Same thing. Get in there and give it a little jiggle. Make sure it threads good. And you can go far as you can go with your hand. Same thing at the top. Put your top piece in. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Give that a snug. You ain't gotta have it Superman tight, but just make sure you're tight. All right, there you have it. Then you, of course, you know how to put your wheel back on. Again, like I said, that was a 3/4 for me. My lug was a 3/4. You know, and then here's your wheel. You put your wheel and everything back on, and they say you on like a pot of neck bones. All right, next time, y'all. All right, Cole, on this hill, we'll talk to you. Yeah, and don't forget, y'all, to make sure you pump them brakes good. Build that pedal back up before you start moving. Just a little life safety tip. I'll catch up with you.